Hello, everyone. My name is Latiba with Queen's Decor, your party one-stop shop located in Bristol, PA. Today, I'm going to be showing you what's included in our Valentine's Day balloon kit and just showing you step by step how to install this kit to make your loved one feel valued and cherished on Valentine's Day. First thing we're going to do is bring you up close so you can see exactly what you're getting within your kit. Do keep in mind that each kit is different based on the package that you select. But for the most part, this is what your kit should look like. You're going to have your glue dots and balloon strings. Next, you're going to have your 11-inch latex balloons. Followed by your 17 to 24-inch latex balloons. Based on your kit, you should also receive your heart-shaped foil balloons and your specialty balloons. If purchased, you will also receive our balloon hand pump, or you're going to receive an electric pump. Now let's go ahead and design the perfect Valentine's Day room decor. Step 1. Organizing your balloons. Organize your balloons and determine the style and color pattern you would like your ceiling design to be decorated in, to make it easy for you to be able to blow them up. Step 2, blowing up your balloons. Step 2 is connected to step 3. As you blow up each balloon, make sure you tie the neck of the balloon and tie your string after tying your neck. Step 4 is adding the glue dots to your balloon to attach to your ceiling. But next, you're going to go ahead and take the blown up balloon and add a glue dot at the very tip of your balloon. If you're using a hotel, a pro tip would be go ahead and add the glue dot to the center bottom of your balloon and add a tape facing up. The tape is going to be what's going to hold the balloon up to the ceiling so that there is no ceiling damage. Step 5, hanging your balloons. After adding the glue dot on the bottom tip of your balloon, go ahead and push firmly up to the ceiling. This will give you the helium look without the helium pricing. However, if you're local and you need helium balloons, we got you covered too. Congratulations, you just designed the most beautiful room decor without a professional. I hope this makes your wife, spouse, lover, or side chick happy, and happy Valentine's Day. We got a sense of humor over here too.